and stop bringing our young people up, champion them.
Who's that?
This one is mine.
This is Michael Jackson.
No, this is me.
It's Michael Jackson.
Oh, look, it fits.
Michael Jackson.
His hand is
I don't know
small.
what is Michael Jackson, that's why.
She done that. See, look, his hand is very small. Look at this. My hand is bigger. Look.
No, this one.
My hand is bigger.
What we believe. Listen to that. Our lives mirror our beliefs. We are what we believe.
Wait, this is me. This is me. You?
Jelly, look at me.
Michael Jackson.
Look at the baby. The baby has shit me. Look, the baby has. I have a baby.
Who's that?
America's boy. And also this one.
Ah, who's America's boy?
I don't know.
It's fit for Hala. It's Jackie Loper. Jack Cooper. Jackie Cooper.
Minister, peaceful minister, a non-judgmental minister, a non-religious minister. This is not a religion.
Hey, you want to look at a picture?
Look at me,
Look at
Anna.
that. Look at that.
Instead, okay, he had a dream as well.
Wow, look
As
at
far as
that.
I'm concerned, the moment I was
Is that your
born,
hand?
I made it. The moment I took my first breath, I made it. And so did you. There's no need to fake it to make it. I'm going to continue on with my point of what I was saying. This book right here, the affirmative world, needs to be involved in a lot of expanding
What's that? That Twilight.
of all holy books.
Hala. Can you move the other side? It's not.
Wait, look at you.
Combine it with your learned ways of divinity.
Ayun, oh. Because have Hollywood.
Today is the day. It's the biggest day.
Hala.
It's all just God.
Hollywood.
I don't know if it's going to get better.